Gray & Sons repairs every Patek Philippe watch. We have the parts, machinery, and expertise required to repair even the most antique and high-end Patek watches. In this video, we show one of our Swiss-trained watchmakers reassembling and oiling a Patek Philippe. Our watchmakers perform overhaul and detail services on Patek Philippe watches daily. It is their passion and their favorite watch brand to work on. With over 150 years of combined watchmaking experience, when our watchmakers take your watch in their hands, they recreate history. Let us repair your Patek Philippe watch. Simply visit grayandsons.com/repairs to request our easy ship box, and we will have your watch running and on time in 2 weeks or less.